this lesson, we are going to go over the derivatives of any other base. So when we take the derivative of a to the x, give us a to the x times ln of x. When we take the derivative of log base a of x, is 1 over x times ln a. And if the power or the base, the inside of a log is not x, we have to use the chain rule here. Let me show you one example. You can finish example 2 and 3 yourself. So if you look at example 1, 7 to the x, the derivative d over dx means the derivative. Give us 7 to the x times ln 7. Okay, now you can pause the video for 1 minute and finish example 2 and 3. And in example 3, you have to use the product rule. Example 4 to example 7, the antiderivative. So for any other base, the antiderivative is 1 over ln a times a to the x plus a constant c. So let's have a look at example 4 to example 7. You can pause the video for 2 minutes and solve it. By example 6, you have to use the calculator. Example 7, you have to use U substitution. Okay, for the problems in the form f of x to the g of x, this is not exponential form. It looks like it's exponential. However, you cannot take the derivative. There's no formula for us to use to take the derivative directly. In this case, we are going to use ln. Okay, with the help of ln, we are going to take the derivative. Let me show you example 8. So example 8, the base is a function of x and the power is also a function of x. In this case, we are going to apply ln on both sides. And based on the property of ln, the right side will give us sine of x times ln of x. Now we can take the derivative of both sides, give us product rule here, cosine of x times ln of x plus sine of x times 1 over x. So y prime equals y times cosine of x times ln x plus sine of x over x, which is, you can plug y in, times the whole expression here. Now you can pause the video and do example 9 yourself, and then later compare your answer with mine. This is the answer for example 9. Just be careful, don't forget, you have to use the chain rule here. And you can leave your answer like this as your final answer too.